Want to know how to change your nickname or your username in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up dola.com on your web browser. So you can just simply type in www.dola.com or just simply open up the application and install it right there. So once you have done all of that, you should be under this interface right here. So now once you're on this interface, here on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here or your avatar, just like that. And now once you've selected that, here you should be seeing settings right here, just simply select it. So now once you're on the settings, here you should be seeing various options popping up. So up top you should be seeing edit profile, just simply select that. So once you're there, here you should be seeing your nickname or your username right here. So you can just simply change it to anything that you want and simply select save and make sure the nickname is unique as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.